you. Francis photo. Francis.
Kita-kita. Napakaganda. Ng ating very own Maria Alisa Manalo. Grabe, oh. Sino ka dyan?
Grabe ang tao kay Alisa.
Sino ka dyan? Miss Universe Philippines natin.
One, two, three, go!
Mabuhay!
Perfect! Thank you! Kung mabilis maglakad. Ilaw.
Grabe, lahat ay welcome ng ating Reyna.
Atisa video. Miss France, Miss Guatemala. Hello. Closer. Team Black.
We're supposed to wear black.
Hello.
Grabe. Laban.
Pasarela daw. Request ng pasarela.
Nag-usap kayong tatlo. Did you guys talk about your color-coded outfits today?
Hard to wear black.
For a shoot?
Grabe. Perfect. Saan ka, Philippines?
I'll text you.
Diba?
I'll tell them where.
Sige, chikahin niyo muna kami, Atisa. Huwag ko muna umalis.
Laban. Diba?
Magtanong kayo.
Atisa! Who's your roommate? Atisa, who's your roommate? Atisa, who's your roommate? I don't know yet.
Ang sabi ang irunong ko kami. Lakad!
Atisa!
Diba?
All the support from Filipino, everyone.
All the Filipinos are everywhere.
Wala Venezuela.
Grabe, Philippines! Laban!
Saan ka dalahin?
Atisa, what did you have for breakfast? Hindi pa siya
Sir
kumakain.
Mar, meron kaming 11:30 supposedly sa lobby.
Labis ka siya.
We're supposed to wear black. The lime green.
Isa, kumain ka na ba?
Yes.
Oh, diba?
I have a lot. I have one maleta full of snacks.
Oh my God!
Snacks and fit bars and all that stuff.
So super ready talaga.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng hair!
Thank you.
Oh. Ay! Laban, Philippines!
Isang kritik naman dyan na pang-tie.
Ano?
Suway pa.
Kaning ha.
Ah!
Nilalaro niyo ako.
Grabe yung Philippines. So, ang daming hata. Grabe talagang magnet of the universe. Diba? Mga ka-proud. Tamang-tama talaga na tayo ayan. Nandito ngayon. Pero susunod pa rin tayo talaga. Go, laban. Hanggat makakasunod.
At isa sa kanila dalahin.
Parang Pilipinas lang, no? Hinahabol ka lang na.
Grabe, ayan na. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng black dress. Saan kaya tayo mga... Ang ganda. Diba? Oh, asan ka?
Iniwan ako. Picture ako ng
Diba? Hinahanap niya yung kanyang group. Binlock dress lang tayo ni Atisa today. Oh, diba? Ito yung mga ano eh.
Dadaanin lang kayo sa mukha. O, ayan.
Ate, saan ka niyang dadalhin?
Tingin nga lang dito, Tisa.
Go na.
This is day 2 of Miss Universe. Diba? Talagang star na star si Miss Universe Philippines. She is at the center of the universe.
No one yet. Yeah, I
She
saw-
is at
I
the
was
center of the universe right now.
I was fixing my stuff. I don't know who's my roommate. Yeah, perfect.
Ayan po, kasama po niya sila Miss Universe, Sri Lanka, France, and Guatemala. So I believe meron po kasi silang instruction to come down this time for a photo shoot. They were told to wear black, mga ka-crown. Hindi naman naka-black si Atisa for today.
From the for the Philippines.
Sakit pala.
Yeah.
Ang ganda naman ang dress mo. Same designer.
Carl Art.
Oh!
Yeah, but we're ready for it. Not yet. I think I saw her yesterday inside while we were doing the shoes and the checklist, but we haven't formally.
What are you most proud of being French?
I think
Here, yan.
Ang nanakop at ang sinakop.
Bet ko yun. Ang nanakop at sinakop. Bet ko yun.
Spain and Philippines as always have a good relationship with one another. We both have been.
Sawadee-ka.
Bakit nandito siya? Kasi hindi lahat ng oras nandito si Atisa. Hindi lahat ng oras nandito si Atisa. Kunin na yan ang mga sponsors. Kaya susulitin natin. Sa Manalo. First taking with her. Diba? Basta nandyan si Maria at Lisa Manalo, nandyan din talo.
May nagustuhan ka? Bigyan siya po Hindi mo yun.